Hi, Sonia. This is question 2 that you sent me. I've got, sorry, here we go. I've got a graph of the function, the factored function that you gave me, showing here. And so the issue with integrating over minus 2 to 2 is that we have two negative sections in the graph, this part here and this part here. So when we do our integral, you need to split up your integral over 3 different sections in order to get the correct area. And so here when we integrate, I get x to the 4th minus 9x squared plus 2x plus 4 dx when you multiply that expression, when you expand it. And so I would say that you need to go from, your roots are -2 to -1. That's going to be one of the sections. And then you need to do the same thing, and you're going to go from -1 to 0, -1 to 1, sorry, that's the positive section. That's this section here. And then you're going to have to integrate from 1 to 2, and that's this section here, okay? And then if you add those 3 together, you should get the answer that you're looking for. So if you want to give that a try and let me know, these roots come from the original equation where they give it to us in factored form. So x plus 2, x plus 1, and so on. And so your roots are x equals -2, x equals -1, x equals 1, x equals 2 there. Okay, so I hope that helps you with that one. If not, give me another email back and maybe send me your work and show me what isn't working, and I can maybe help you out further on that one, okay?